In this video, I'll guide you through how to merge GitHub branches. Whether you're new to Git or just need a refresher, this tutorial will help you seamlessly integrate your feature branches into your main codebase. Merging branches is a crucial step in collaborative software development, ensuring that all the latest updates and features are incorporated into your primary stable branch. Let's dive in and take a closer look at how you can achieve this. First, navigate to your repository on GitHub. Once you're there, look towards the top horizontal menu bar and click on the Pull Requests tab. The Pull Requests tab is your gateway to managing and reviewing code changes. It allows you to propose changes and collaborate on them before they become a part of the main codebase. Now, on the Pull Requests page, you'll notice a green button on the right labeled New Pull Request. Go ahead and click on it. This button initiates the process of creating a pull request, which is essentially a request to merge changes from one branch into another. Next, you'll see drop-down selectors that help you set up the branch comparison. This is a crucial step as it defines which branches are involved in the merge. For the base branch, select your primary stable branch, often named main or master. This is the branch that you want to merge changes into. For the compare branch, select the feature branch that contains the updates you intend to merge, for instance, feature automation triggers. This setup tells GitHub which changes you're proposing to integrate into your stable branch. Before proceeding, take a moment to check that it says Able to Merge at the top. This message confirms that there are no conflicts between the branches and that the merge can proceed smoothly. Once you've verified this, click on the green Create Pull Request button. This action takes you to the next stage, where you provide more details about your proposed changes. Now it's time to give your pull request a descriptive title. This title should succinctly convey the purpose or nature of the changes. Along with the title, write a quick overview summary detailing what files or features were modified. This summary helps your collaborators understand the scope and impact of the changes. It's always a good practice to be clear and concise, ensuring everyone involved is on the same page. Finally, click Create Pull Request again to publish your pull request dashboard page. This step finalizes your proposal and makes it visible to your team. From here, collaborators can review your changes, provide feedback, and discuss any necessary adjustments. Once everyone is satisfied, the pull request can be merged into the main branch, making your updates a permanent part of the codebase. And there you have it. You've successfully created a pull request to merge branches on GitHub. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth integration process, contributing to a more efficient and organized workflow. Remember, clear communication and thorough documentation are key to successful collaboration in software development. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.